Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A Cliffside oasis, designing a modern black house. Nestled amidst the rugged beauty of a rocky mountainside, overlooking a pristine beach, the proposed black two-story house offers a unique and captivating living experience. The design seamlessly blends contemporary aesthetics with the natural environment, creating a harmonious and visually striking dwelling. The exterior of the house is dominated by a sleek black facade, which lends a sense of sophistication and mystery. This dark hue contrasts beautifully with the surrounding landscape, highlighting the architectural forms and creating a dramatic focal point. The use of large windows allows for ample natural light to flood the interior, while also providing breathtaking views of the ocean and the surrounding terrain. The second floor features a distinctive round balcony, which extends outward from the main structure. This circular design adds a touch of whimsy and elegance to the facade, while also providing a private and secluded outdoor space. The balcony offers panoramic views of the beach and the ocean beyond, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and contemplation. One of the most striking features of the house is the slide that descends from the second floor to the swimming pool below. This playful element adds a sense of fun and adventure to the design, inviting residents and guests to enjoy the thrill of a waterside slide. The slide is integrated seamlessly into the architecture of the house, ensuring both safety and aesthetic appeal. The swimming pool itself is located at the base of the mountainside, adjacent to the beach. Its design complements the modern aesthetic of the house, with clean lines and a minimalist approach. The pool offers a refreshing escape from the heat and provides a tranquil setting for swimming and sunbathing. The interior of the black two-story house is a harmonious blend of modern elegance and natural beauty. The living room, with its floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic ocean views, is a spacious and inviting space. The kitchen, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and sleek finishes, is a chef's dream. Upstairs, the bedrooms are tranquil retreats, each featuring private balconies that provide breathtaking vistas. The bathrooms are luxurious and spa-like, featuring high-quality fixtures and soothing color palettes. In conclusion, the black two-story house with a round balcony, slide, and swimming pool is a truly exceptional design that captures the essence of modern luxury and coastal living. Its unique architectural features and breathtaking location make it a truly one-of-a-kind dwelling that will inspire and delight its occupants for years to come. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.